So we got a special package. Right. So, do you remember this copy of Windows XP Home Edition? Yeah, I got it off of eBay. Well, I got a second thing off of eBay, and it's not just a software disk like that one is. It's an actual piece of hardware. Today, we're unboxing an iPhone 3G. At least I hope it is. So, here it is. Well, I can't see it yet, but it's in here, I promise. Ugh. So let's cut this bag open. Just 1 second while I just get these little scissors. And ooh, is that it? I hope I didn't damage the phone in any sort of way, but we got this. I still can't see it, so. It's in a little Walmart bag, kind of hard to open. Ooh. Alright, so I just cut into a little bag right there. I should just rip it open. Oh, I should just rip open. Yeah, just like that. Okay, and we need to get this little box out. There it is. There's the eBay logo. Can you see it? Confirming that this is my eBay order. I just heard about it from a little email I got. Okay, I think that's enough for torturing this poor bag. So let's just get this out of here. Get this out of its little bag. Ugh. So hard. Oh, almost there. This might be it. There it is. And the phone. Do you hear that? That's the phone. So the seller said it's locked. Now I don't know if it's locked like it requires a passcode, or like it's like iCloud locked, but we will find out. Ugh. It's a really hard package to open. Jeez, this is a hard package to open. Ugh. First, the bag's hard to open. Now, this is hard to open. Maybe you have to. I think you have to do it from this side. That was tense, dude. Ooh. Okay, I think I got it. Partly got it. Alright, ready to see the phone, the iPhone 3G. 3, 2. Oh, are you kidding me? There's a bag inside here. Jesus, just to get to a phone? I mean, I get it, you want to protect it, but Jesus, do you have to include this much crap? I mean, that's kind of a wise choice. Ooh. And just in case you couldn't get enough of the bags, there's another one right underneath that. Jesus! Do you really need this many bags? I think this is, yep, it says 3G on there, indicating that this is the iPhone 3G. Tape. I don't want to stab the phone. Is this part of the phone? I don't think so. Ugh. Okay. Ooh. Jesus, I mean, do you have to wrap a phone this much? I mean, I get you want to protect it, but jeez, you don't have to do it this much. This was delivered by USPS. Thanks, USPS. Oh. Oh. Come on, come on. Okay. Like, Jesus, do you have to wrap a bag this much? I just want to get to the phone. Like, is it just gonna be a bunch of bags? Did I get scanned or something? Oh God. Okay. A really tough bag. I have to slice it down the middle some more. Oh, I think this is the phone. Finally, is this the finale? Ooh, I feel it. Here it is. Here's the iPhone 3G. I've been waiting for this. Is there any other things did the seller include? Nope, just the phone. So when we want to charge it, we can't. So here it is. Here's the iPhone 3G. So let's see. Now, let's see. Let's try and turn it on. Ooh, look at that old iOS boot screen. Very cool. Do I have to just be patient? Like, is this just taking a long time, or like, I don't know if it's bricked or not. Like it's staying on the screen. But I do like that little Apple logo. See? Nice. It's not displaying anything other than that Apple boot screen. I'm kind of worried. Like, try everything. I'm kind of worried. Oh, there it is. Okay, so we have that. Okay, so there's a passcode. So it's passcode locked. I see. Okay, so it's not iCloud locked. I don't think iCloud existed back then. I don't know. I think it's so. Yeah, he just means like a code, which is like to unlock. We need a little code here. So 1, 2, 3, 4. Nope. Nope. Oh, did I press the emergency button? Everyone's disabled, so maybe it is iCloud locked. Para emergencia. It's a slide for emergency. Can you see there? Slide to power off. Let's just power it off. I don't know, but let's just try to turn it back on again. Jesus, that's a lot of packages. But let's just wait for this. So the seller just means like it's iCloud locked, not like I think it just means it's passcode locked, not iCloud locked. So, ooh. Okay. Come on. Staying on this Apple boot screen for a long time. Can you see there? But I do like that old Apple logo. Reminds me of early iPod touches. Come on. Come on, dude. Come on, it's still staying on the screen. Ooh. Okay, iPhone is disabled. Connect to iTunes. Well, we can't do it anymore because iTunes is dead. iPhone is disabled, so I think it's iCloud locked. Or iTunes locked? I don't know. We can still kind of make a call. 911, please help me. I'm shaking and crying right now. Yeah, it's iCloud locked. Unless we can force it to reset. Battery's pretty low, so. My order 30 pin. Yeah, see, it's there. It's 30 pin. Let me look up how to reset an iPhone, like hard reset an iPhone 3G. Alright, so I found this little thing by AT&T is like if you just hold the power button for 10 seconds, power and home button for 10 seconds until the Apple logo appears. So let's see. 1, 2. Oh, the thing just came on right away. I don't think that's supposed to happen. I think we're just supposed to press them both at the exact same time. And if it doesn't work, I'll try. And hey, if the second attempt doesn't work, I'll make another video trying to reset this thing. That'll be a great 10 or so minutes of boring stuff, just in case you really want it. Come on, just let me shut you down. Does it let me hard shut it down? Holding it. Ooh, the screen got a little brighter, and boom, iPhone is disabled. Connect to iTunes. Well, I can't do that anymore, and even if iTunes still existed today, I don't think it would work with this phone. So, no chance, dude. Slide power off. It's a nice little. But we gotta get I really want to reset this thing. Okay. Synchronize. I synchronized them, and yep, it still doesn't work. Maybe the home button screwed up a little. I don't know. Let me read that again. Just don't mind me. Camera's still on. You know what? I might just make a separate video, like, trying to reset this iPhone 3G, because it's iCloud locked, I think. 16 gigs. I was just reading the specs. Yeah, so I think I'll make a separate video, just erasing the storage off of this thing. That'll be a fun video, right? Bye.